Everybody, on Demetrius Adventures, we're gonna do a dolphin tour. I've never done this before. I've actually never gone on the water in Virginia Beach. I've maybe done like the Norfolk boat trip thing, whatever it is, Norfolk Spirit. But I've never done this, and so we're gonna go with my family and just see how it turns out. So maybe we'll see some dolphins. One of the coolest things about Virginia Beach is that you can actually see dolphins just by swimming around. So we'll probably see something today. I just don't necessarily know, but it should be pretty fun. So when you're going to go be at the park, it's about $5 for all day. But then once you park, then you just got to go inside the aquarium, pay for the ticket, and then come back out and then wait in line. Oh, the smell of our lovely estuary. A little swampy, but like Shrek, you know. Hello. Again, if you're tall, this is a little rough because oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of a boat tour for this little tiny ship, you know? Tiny but big. Ooh. Ooh, blackjack is good. Oh, that's the crew. A little snack bar. Oh, I've already literally hit my head against the top already. Our first wildlife, a bird.
Today with the Virginia Aquarium, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you might have as we are sailing on our cruise today.
Her voice really is very soothing.
Big pine trees and lots of cord grass in front of them over there. The tied down a little bit, you can see that there are many hundreds of periwinkle snails, part of the ecosystem here. They feed many different species of fish and birds. If you all came to the aquarium today from the Virginia Beach Oceanside, you probably drove right over this guy. Get through the bridge. We'll be hanging a left and headed into the ocean.
It literally took me a second to realize where we're at because I thought we were on the other side, but we're totally down the beachfront, so I had no clue. Took me a second, but now I know where my bearings are, and now I know where I'm at. Those were like the buoys that, weren't they like, they washed ashore that one time after the hurricane that we went to?
Around this time 19 years ago, the entire region was bracing for impact. Isabel had developed into a Category 5.
Oh, is that like a radar or something? Wow. How's the wind between your hair, Dad? Okay, so here's the sand soccer beach tournament that they have every year. Last time I was actually here, before I moved back to here, they were having it, and it's pretty crazy how packed the beach gets. So here's the debate. It's so super windy. Here's the debate. Will we actually see a dolphin today? And honestly, I don't think we will, because some people came, most of my friends came the other day, and they were like, no, I didn't see anything. And so we'll see if we see a dolphin today. Let's see.
We have a couple of dolphins popping up here just on the left side of the boat.
Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, wow. So something I noticed is that I almost have the expectation when you go on a dolphin thing that they're going to be like right in front of the boat, you know, flipping and everything else. But like the reality is they're just going to be further out. So they're about 50 feet from the boat, which is cool, but also enough that if you were down on the beachfront, you can still actually probably see them in the same way. I mean, from a different vantage point. Of course, if you meet them on their grounds, the odds are it's gonna be better for you. Like you're gonna, the potential for them to come on land and come right next to you is a lot less. But yeah, no. Overall, I would say it's a really good experience. There's this one memory of me. I feel like I can speak to dolphins. Don't judge me. But basically, I can do a dolphin noise, and I was at Fort Story. Down the beach over here, and I kept on making it, and like 3 dolphins swam up. My family was here, so there's proof that it was there. So there's proof that it did. I think they just wanted to investigate at that point, but But yeah, I mean, 30 bucks. I haven't done this before, so it's pretty cool and pretty great. You learn some little things about dolphins, and there's potential for it to happen. My friends went um, whale shopping. My friends went to the whale watching kind of thing, and they didn't see anything the whole day. So it's kind of one of those things where you got to go on thinking, I might not see anything today, even though I paid for this. But overall, it's a pretty great experience. It's pretty chill, especially just being able to be out in the water for a little bit. Oh, overall review is I would tell somebody if we're going to go on the boat ride, but hey, we're just going to go on a boat ride and we're going to see the beachfront from the ocean. And then I would probably tell them like, hey, and there's possibility there might be some dolphins. And because you can't guarantee that you'll see dolphins no matter what, you know, that's like not realistic. But it was really great. There was friendly staff. Everybody was just super, just great. And so definitely a good experience. If you haven't done it, do it. I think it's like a good evening thing. Like if I was going to hang out with friends, like let's go boat ride and then get something to eat afterwards. But overall, I don't know, it was really good. It was worth its price. I mean, it's kind of pricey. It's $30. If it was like 20 bucks, then I'd be like, oh yeah, definitely do it. But I understand, you know, gas and boats and everything else takes a lot or costs a lot. Well, we'll see you next time, and like and subscribe if you want more content like this.
Coming up soon, we go to the botanical gardens to check out what they have to offer. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can see more videos like this.